Brute forcing an exe, it would take you a really long time to brute force an exe, but you could do a lot of studying, and in Windows 10 you could maybe brute force an exe if you were kind of crazy. But this is a funny little trick. Take a regular standard text, right click on the screen in Windows 10, click New, text document. Okay. Name it something. Right here I got one called bob.txt. Open it. Put a bunch of strange characters in it, like percents and ups and m's and all these weird characters. And then save it. And then go back and rename the file to an exe. Hit enter. You get, if you change the file extension, the file might become unusable. Hit yes. It becomes an executable. Double click it. Voila. You have an executable. It executed. It's that easy to make an executable. But what it does is access the processor. It then becomes memory and processor accessible as soon as it has the exe label. So, if it has the right characters and coding stored in its file structure, it will do what it should do as an exe. That's the secret to executables. You can take an executable and convert it to text, rename it to text, copy the code, and then copy it into a text box, and then rename it to a new name and convert it back to exe. And voila, you have a different named executable that works the same. Try that someday.